Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2950 series. What I want to do is to show you how to copy documents from this printer using the control panel. So put the paper you want to copy. You need to go to the menu and select copy. Select OK to copy. Use side arrow button. Go to more. Select OK to more. It will show you this copy format. Then select number of copies, use up or down to select number of copies. Also use side arrow button to go to color or black and white. So color is selected. Then select OK. It will show you from the screen 1 to 1 sided, actual size, A4 plain paper. So use down arrow button to go to more settings. Select down arrow button, go to settings. Then it will show you two-sided or 1 to 1 sided. Select on two-sided. Then scroll down to select 1 to 2 sided. Select OK. 1 to 2 sided. Select OK. Orientation, portrait or landscape. So portrait is selected. Then select OK. Left edge or top edge, left edge. Then select OK. Then scroll down again. It will show you density. Then you select OK to density. Use left arrow button or right arrow button to adjust the density. So it's currently on default, plus or minus 0. Then select OK. Scroll down again. It will show you paper settings. A4 plain paper. If you have different paper, then you select on it. Select OK. It will show you paper for you to select the paper. A4 plain paper, or you select the paper you want to use. Then select OK to A4. Then size as A4. Paper type as plain paper. Select OK to plain paper. Then you select OK. Then you go back. If you go back again, if you go to the settings, select, scroll down, show you density, scroll down again, paper settings, scroll down, reduce or enlarge. Scroll down again, it will show you the actual size or multi-page. Also scroll down, it will show you print quality, standard. If you want to copy ID card, scroll down and select ID card. If you want borderless copy, scroll down and select borderless copy. Switch it on or off. Select OK to the quality standard. Select OK. Then they give you option for you to select high or standard. So it's currently on standard. Select OK. If you want to copy ID card, then you scroll down, select ID card, switch it on or off. So it's currently, ID card is currently off. Then borderless, scroll down again, switch borderless on or off. So borderless off. Then you select OK. Once you select OK, show you on or off, but borderless. Want to go back, then select this button to copy the document. And also put the document you want to copy on the glass scanner face down. Then select start. It's going to copy the first page. The next thing to do is open the glass scanner and turn the paper the other way around to copy the second page. Close the cover, then select start. This is the document we copied, two-sided in color. Now I want us to copy this document in black and single page. So use right arrow button, go to black and white. Then select OK to black and white. Then it will show you 1 to 2 sided. Scroll down, select OK to 1 to 2 sided. Then use up arrow button to select 1 to 1 sided. Then select OK. Then you go back and select this button and also put the document you want to copy. Then select start. So it's going to copy this page, one page. This is the document we copied, black and white, single page. So this is how to copy documents with this printer from the control panel. Thank you very much indeed.